Hey guys, special treat for you today. We got the 1966 MF10 with the pretty rare front PTO attachment. This allows you to run 540 PTO attachments on your MF10 or 12 girth tractor. So we got it connected up to the KL970 silage wagon here. We're going to be cleaning it out and oiling the chains and whatnot. So anyway, I thought we'd use this just for fun. And the never-ending saga of carburetor problems continues with this tractor. So she's leaking gas pretty bad. Yeah, there we go. So we're gonna park it, I think. Oh well.